Short tutorial video will show you how to use the new Pages feature within your Offering Tree site. First, make sure that you've clicked on the Pages section underneath the Edit Website tab. Once you've landed on the Pages section, you'll notice that this is a paid feature, so in order to unlock it, you'll first need to upgrade to one of our paid plans. You can do that by clicking on Upgrade and then following the steps that are needed to upgrade your Offering Tree plan. Once you've upgraded your plan, you can then click on Pages again, and you'll see that this feature is now unlocked. You'll see the default pages that are listed as part of your free account: About, Offerings, Schedule, Blog, and Contact. And you'll now have the ability to change the order of these different pages. You can also hide them by unpublishing them or publishing them if you would rather have them not show. You won't be able to edit or delete them because these are built-in features as part of your account, but as I said before, you can hide them by sliding off one of these sliders and clicking on Publish. And then if you go back to your public-facing website, you'll see that it no longer shows up in the navigation menu. So you have a lot more flexibility with this feature enabled. You also now have the ability to create a new page, so you can create as many custom pages as you want, or personal web pages. So in this case, I'll go ahead and create a new page. Let's say I want to offer some resources to my clients or students, so I'll call this Page Menu Resources, and it's a good idea to keep this menu item short so that it shows up fairly easily in your navigation menu. If you have super long titles, it'll be very hard for your clients or students to read them, so generally one word and trying to use a short word is best. Once I've created that page menu name, I can click down below, and this is where I can create all of the content. So I'll first create a title. I'll type in Resources 101, and I want to make this a title, so I'll actually highlight all of this text and then select the title. And then below it, let's say that I actually want to say, here is a useful guided video about practice. And then I want to insert a video. If I hit the plus button, you'll now see that I can insert an image, I can insert video, or I can insert a piece of music or guided practice or whatever you might want. So in this case, I'll start by first inserting a video. So then I'll go ahead and I'll grab my link for that video. I'll paste it directly in here. And so you get this link from YouTube or Vimeo or any other video service where you have your video stored. All you need to do is grab the URL and paste it into the box. And once I hit OK, Offering Tree will automatically embed this directly into your site. Now let's say that I also want to add an audio asset. So here I'll say, here is a useful audio for helping you practice. So then I'll go here. Again, this time I'll click on the little note icon to add an audio clip, and you can go ahead and grab the audio clip from wherever you might be hosting it. So it could be at SoundCloud, it could be at some other service, but wherever you have your music posted. You could even potentially just post it from Google Drive if you have it uploaded in your Google Drive, and you click share with anyone that has this link. You could just paste that directly into this box, go ahead and hit OK. And now you'll see that it embeds this SoundCloud of this guided audio right below the video that I just pasted. So a lot of functionality. You also can highlight any of the text, and you can bold it, italicize it, underline it, create a hyperlink. You can create bolded lists or numbered lists, and you can create additional titles. So a lot of flexibility here to create your pages. And then you can decide, do you want to save this as a draft that you can edit later, or do you want to publish this right away? So in this case, I'll go ahead and hit publish. Now, since I've just published this, if I look at the public-facing view of my site, you'll see that it actually will show up under the More tab. There's Resources, and that's because the ordering right now of the pages that I have. If I want to change this ordering, let's say I want to move Resources to appear right after About, I can do that. All I have to do is go back into the dashboard of my site, and then I can click on the Pages tab, and you'll see that Resources at the bottom. But if I go under the Move Up column, there's this up arrow. If I click the Move Up arrow, it moved Resources up one space, so I can keep moving it up. And if I wanted to move it down, I could just hit the down arrow in the next column, and I'll move it up one more so it appears right after the About page. Also, if I decide that I want to unpublish it at any time, all I have to do is hit this slider icon. If I want to edit the content of this page, I just hit the edit, and that will pull up that window like last time, and I can go ahead and make all the changes that I need. And if at some point, let's say I no longer need this page, I've unpublished it, and it's just kind of cluttering up my dashboard, I can hit the trash can icon, and it will permanently delete the page, so it's no longer listed here. But now, if I go back and look at the public-facing view, you will see that the resources shows up right after the About. So this is a really simple and powerful way to give you a lot of flexibility to manage the look and feel of your site and to create custom content that your students and clients might be interested in. So we look forward to seeing what you have to offer, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via the Help button in the bottom left part of your navigation window. Thanks so much.